So, I'm going to be vlogging again. So, yeah, we're at the beach. And here's my sister.
Time right now is 9:49.
The time right now is 9:49. I got my bandit suit on. You can, as you can see, I got bandit. It's watermelon with a green shirt. And there's all the ocean. A lot of people. My sister said she wants to be right beside that umbrella. Right, hold on. Where's the camera? My sister said she wants to be, we think she should be right where that umbrella open. As you can see it, it's kind of, not the one that's with the left, one with all the code on the right. So yeah, I'm going to quit vlogging because I almost don't have enough storage. So I kind of did this like thing where I buy Hot Wheels. I open them each day for the beach. And there's like these drawers. And there's like these drawers for all three of us. My Paisley, Kylie, and me. These are the Hot Wheels I got in the blind bags.
I found this at Walmart yesterday.
Yeah. These are the Hot Wheels I got out of the blind bag. I currently got this out of the blind bag.
And then Paisley gave me
His name is
his shotgun.
I found it. The eraser.
And then this is the best thing.
See? Hold on.
Got
Let me
this color
see.
changing B Hot Wheel. We change it from blue to purple when you put it in water. I want to go
Eraser.
water here doesn't even
Eraser. I got this car today. Oh, I got that car yesterday. I got this car today. My big sister, she really wanted this car, and I got it. Like, I didn't know I was going to get this in a blind bag, so yeah. It smells pretty good. I want you to see. On the Hot Wheels flag, it said like, the Hot Wheels with clear wheels and clear bottles are best for track. So, I got this like little launcher's boom car. So yeah, you put your man. Hold on. You put your man right in here, and then he holds onto these bars. But I don't have my man right now. He's at my house in Alabama. Because this stick comes with a man. So yeah. The first one I erased at one. Try to guess. I'll give 5 seconds. Let's see. 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi. 5 Mississippi. Okay. If you guess this car right here, you was right. Comment down below if you got this car right. Which car went second? 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. What was this car right here? I came in second place. Well, this, when I pushed it, it kind of like, and it didn't go really good. So I wasn't really impressed with that car. Oh, just almost rolled off the table. So we're fixing to go down to the beach. Yeah. I'm going to show you the sticker I got because the Hot Wheels blind bags get stickers. I got that. Y'all going to be in a Ziploc bag. Y'all going to be in a Ziploc bag because I haven't been in those stores except for Walmart because they don't have water bags. So we're going to have to look for a water bag. It costs like $5 or $10. I have not got one yet. So I'm going to have to use a Ziploc bag, right? Yeah. Gotta look for a Ziploc bag now. I just had one out. I don't know where we now, but yeah, last night there was a whole lot of people yelling and all. Oh, here's my sister's car. She wanted to see it. This is her car. It changes colors. And got like a cool back, cool wings. That's really good. So back in her bag. So yeah, so yeah, I'm looking for my sister's Hot Wheels right now. Where's your Hot Wheels at? They want to see it.
I forgot where I put it.
Well, anyways, hers changes. Yeah. Show me where you put it so they can see. They really want to see it. They're like, oh my gosh, Paisley, let us see it. I got a Gatorade. You want to see what color it is? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our time's up, man. I got this blue one. My sister, my little sister, she got white. And my bigger sister, she got blue. So, yeah. Ow.
So, that's what we got.
That's all we got, really. Not that much.
Full day after the beach. Yesterday we only had like.
So today's gonna be the first full day because yesterday we only had like not even an hour. So yeah, we'll see you down at the beach. Bye bye. I'm vlogging right now, and there's Mama putting on sunblock on God's sister, and there's Ear Picker. He's our dad. He likes to stick stuff in his fat ear. I know, is that crazy, right? Well, I don't have my glasses on. Well, what I'm building right now is like
Please don't hit my umbrella.
a chair.
I mean, do you not?
I'm sorry for the music. I did not do this, YouTube. Don't man me.
That's not our stuff.
Yeah, that's not our stuff. This, I got a dump truck.
That's about to be a dump truck.
I kind of want to, let's go, man. So that's what we're doing. We're fixing to eat lunch soon. I got some Oreos. I got a push pop and a slush puppy.
Air Picker's still behind.
You can get them in Alabama too. And yeah, I'll see you guys later in the hotel. Right now, my sister is a sandwich.
Better hurry up back.
As you can tell, she got a whole lot of sand on her. Well, I don't know if I'm going to be vlogging more, but I got a lot of stuff that I need to leave. Look at the ocean. Don't it look so beautiful? We got a whole lot of things. But my mom and dad are fixing to come back with some food because we are hungry. They've been out like the beach for like 2 hours since a movie. And my sister is way down there. Let me get our zoom in. There she is. The one that's waddling around. I have to get it where you can see. Where's my camera? Well, anyways, I made some musicals. I told the people in Musically I was going to make some musicals a whole lot. Well, anyways, I didn't. And there's some people watching me. Yeah, they're like, I'm crazy. Like, why are you doing stuff on the beach? No, here she comes running. Yeah, so, yeah. So, there's my sister. She's vlogging, so, yeah. My sister's just rinsing off now. So, yeah. There's a lot of weird, crazy waves yesterday. I wish I got a clip on that, but yeah, it's a lot of crazy waves yesterday. Bye. Peace. Love. Okay, guys, I'm going to put y'all in the water, put y'all in a bag, so that makes me, so I can make y'all go underwater. It's going to be so much fun. Y'all ready? But I'm not going to put my phone underwater for that long. I'm not actually going to do it. Here's my sister, Big Kylie. She just did it. And there's my little sister.
And I'm not vlogging for the beach.
She don't vlog because
She's just in our videos.
yeah, she's just in our
Braxton,
videos.
he's a day behind on his videos because
I'm a day behind on my videos because nothing will work when I edit it. So sorry. So yesterday's video, it will be coming today tonight. So it'll be on working tonight or tomorrow. Oh my God, guys!
hold that pink thing down.
I am.
Hold that down. It's not in your camera.
So here I go. Oh! That got me soaking wet. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh! Here we go, guys! I'm trying to get in the water.
We're sorry if you get underwater. No, we're not. We're sorry, not sorry.
I'm sorry for getting y'all underwater. Y'all are going underwater. See what y'all can see.
Mom, red flag. A couple times I didn't let the top go underwater. Hey guys, red flag is not good.
What if it
Red
works?
flag is special.
Oh my gosh. Hello! We're going underwater.
There's a yellow flag. And Nick's so funny.
We just went underwater.
Kylie, we didn't meet.
And there's Kylie. And here's me. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Ah! Here it comes. I'm running. I'm running for my life.
Sorry.
I have to wear a life jacket because sometimes a current, rip current takes us out. Sometimes it might. Oh my goodness. Ah! And the flag today is yellow. Yesterday was red. Here we go. Oh! We won't drown, but we don't really need a life jacket because we already know how to swim. Here it comes. Ah! Y'all get sick. Whoa! Come on, here we go. Oh no! And these are some big waves. Rock bumpers.
Guys, never try this at home.
You can try it at home once you're at the beach.
Yeah, you can try this at home or
But be careful, really careful. If your phone's an iPhone 5 like mine, don't let it go in water. It's bad. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh.
Hey guys, I just
Woo!
the water.
So this is the ocean. I'm sorry if y'all can't see that good. I don't even know where I'm going. Oh, I'm going. So yeah, I'm trying to get the best as I can. Here go my boat. Okay. See y'all later. I just forgot. I said like, subscribe. See if this video can get to 5 subscribers and 7 views or 7 likes. 7 likes, okay, and 5 subscribers. Okay. 6 thumbs up and 5 subscribers. Bye. Hope you had a good day at my beach time. Bye.